Hungary-based Nimrod Racing, a designer of customized radio-controlled or RC cars, many of them 1/10 scale models of classic vintage cars, has been selected as the Autodesk Inventor of the Month for November 2009. Through the use of Autodesk software and leveraging digital prototyping, Nimrod Racing has grown its business 100% in just 4 years. What you're about to hear is a phone conversation with Andras Szasz, head of design engineering for R Design Studio, the parent company of Nimrod Racing. In the discussion to follow, Andras outlines the value of Autodesk Inventor software to meet their design needs. How has Autodesk Inventor software assisted your team in its overall design efforts?
Basically, Inventor, we've got all the capabilities what we need. Let me have an explanation. So, for example, in the RC stuff, so the radio control cars what we made, we've got all the solutions what we need. So, for example, we have the first sketches in another Autodesk software. It's called, I think it's Design Studio now, the official name. And it is also compatible with the Inventor. So when we made the first sketches, we can import the surfaces to Inventor, and we can start make the designs there, and can directly communicate with these designing things with the customer. So, for example, if we ready with some basic elements, the chassis or the wheelbases in an RC car, we can send it out in a viewer and show it to the customer. Because we don't make parts for many different users. We've got one user, and this product and method should be really quick and really self-made and specified for the end user. So this is a really great solution to send it out quickly, the ideas, to the customer by a 3D view and an image what you can rotate and zoom it and show all the details. And with this method, what Inventor gives us, the customer can follow up all the designing process from the sketches to the end. And if he has a question or another asking, or he wanted to change something, he can directly act from these views to our engineers and ask them and ask another solutions for his problem or things like that. So, for example, if we design a transmission for the car and then we are ready with it, we can send it out to the customer, and the customer can see it in 3D view, how it will be working, how can we disassemble this, and if it fits his needs, then it's okay. If it needs to be changed, that's an easy way because we have no physical parts. So it took just another few hours to make it more specified, and then we were ready. And the customer is feeling that we are really care about the problem what he has, or the ideas, the dreams what he wanted. So that's why it's really important to have a whole solution for all the processes. And the other half, Inventor, we can make the tests. So in our case, it's really important to test and simulate the parts in the digital world before we made it, because we have no chance to make several parts just for making the impact tests and other things. What it is really necessary to develop a good RC car, and these tests can be done in Inventor as well, and we can send approvals to the customer as well. So it is also a huge effort in our hand now, and we do not need to move between other systems, and it is also solving a lot of problems. What makes the conversation problems between different softwares, and that really makes a sense for us.
For more about Nimrod Racing, visit www.nimrod-racing.net. And for everything about the Autodesk Inventor of the Month Award, visit www.autodesk.com/Inventor of the Month.